Acer truncatum, shantung maple, is actually a very heat-tolerant maple. This plant can be used in Oklahoma easily in the heat and in full sun. It's kind of a rounded crown, generally about as wide as it is tall, with sort of a medium texture. As we talked about earlier, Acer, all the Acers have an opposite leaf arrangement, and this one is no different. It also has somewhat of a palmate leaf shape, but the truncatum part is actually this edge where it looks truncated, which is actually cut off even. There's actually a little bit of a wavy margin on each of the lobes. These are called lobes here on the leaf, so a little bit of a wavy margin on the lobes. No teeth at all on the lobes. The stem on the shantung maple is actually a little bit of a brownish color. You can see in this photograph right here. Most of the maples that we're going to look at have a very kind of a ashy gray stem, and the shantung maple has much more of a kind of a reddish brown or a reddish tan color to the stem. It also has a really great fall color. It goes from sort of a yellow sort of tone, sometimes in the oranges, to a red. And it has a sort of a yellowish flower, and then not very showy but kind of interesting, and then the double samara, similar to the other maples. The bark on this, you'll see kind of changing color, sort of from tan to gray. As it goes on the trunk, you'll see these kind of striped fissures, which are actually just splits. This is actually very tolerant of our heat and poor soil. It's good for small areas, great under power lines where you don't want a tree to get too tall, and really has no significant diseases or problems. It's a great small tree for Oklahoma.